In the previous video, we learned about how effort-driven tasks can be assigned so that when you apply different resources, the timing is automatically calculated in case of automatically scheduled tasks. But if you want to go around and then make sure that the time is not automatically scheduled even when you add in resources, you can utilize non-effort-driven tasks as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around and take this automatically scheduled task itself, and then I'm going to go around over here onto view and then go to detail right here. So once I do that, you can see that I have selected task form, and over here, let me just go around onto the storyline writing itself. It has 10 days. And right now you can see it says effort driven. So if I were to go around and add in, let's say for example, something like an editor and press OK, you can see that the time gets recalculated out right there. But let me just press Ctrl Z. So I'm just going to go around and uncheck the effort driven right here. And now I'm going to go around and assign out an editor onto this and press OK. So in that case, now it is not effort driven, as you can see. And now you can see that the work hour actually added on, and the final duration says 11 days because of the editor's other involvements over here as well, and then it has calculated as per the task being required to be done 80 hours by each individual resources that is assigned onto it. And that is what happens when you don't turn on the effort driven task. It'll assign out the task individually to different resources, and then we'll calculate the hour on the basis of that right here. But let me just go around and then delete this out itself. So I'm just going to go around and then delete out the resource, press OK, and now you can see it says 80 hours once more. Meaning, like, if one person is assigned, then based on 10 days, that's 80 hours right here. And that is the non-effort driven task. In case of, let's say for example, manually scheduled tasks right here, then you can see that effort driven option is not there at all. And if you were to go around over here, you can also turn out different tasks into manually scheduled. So effort driven is turned off, and then you can see that this is what you have. It is 11 days now, and it is manually, you can go around and manually set out the timings right here according to how you want, and then not get it auto scheduled and accidentally have effort driven turned on right there. And that is how you can work around with the non-effort driven tasks while assigning resources onto it inside of Microsoft Project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.